On the picturesque Mediterranean coast, between the resorts of Side and Alanya, in the Kalakli region lies the elegant 5-star Alarcha Hotels and Resorts. This is a place where style, comfort, and attentive hospitality come together, and every aspect of the infrastructure is thoughtfully designed, from the refined lobby to the well-maintained pools with impressive lounging areas. From the moment guests enter the hotel, they are welcomed by a spacious and elegant reception area, decorated in light tones with touches of Eastern decor. Here, you can comfortably wait for check-in, enjoy a drink at the bar, charge your devices, or simply soak in the stylish and relaxing atmosphere. In the evenings, the space transforms. Soft lighting and ambient highlights create a truly magical setting, perfect for photos and unwinding. The hotel grounds feature several bars offering local and imported beverages. One of them is conveniently located right by the lobby, an ideal spot to sip a cocktail or enjoy a coffee between strolls. Inside the main building, there's a cozy patisserie with beautifully presented treats, serving fresh desserts and pastries daily. Spacious lounge areas offer plenty of seating, even during peak hours. Alarcha boasts a large, beautifully maintained territory with outdoor pools, water slides, and dedicated children's areas. The central pool is cleverly zoned, with deeper sections for adults and safe areas for kids. Canopy sunbeds, soft poolside lounges, and shady umbrellas provide perfect conditions for serene relaxation by the water. For little guests, there is a separate children's pool with water slides and a play area. The hotel also features an indoor pool, spacious, bright, with a jacuzzi and a view of the inner courtyard. It's a great option for off-season vacations or cooler weather. Nearby is a full-service spa complex with a hammam, sauna, and a variety of massages, an especially attractive option for those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. Alarcha Hotels and Resorts also offers guests a wide selection of shops right on the premises. Clothing boutiques, a beauty salon, jewelry, accessories, beach goods, and even fur products, all are within easy reach. A professional photographer is also available, and guests can book a mini photo shoot against the stylish hotel interiors or seaside backdrops. The hotel's main restaurant building and dining areas deserve special attention. Guests are welcome to the Asia restaurant, which features a spacious hall and an open-air terrace. Breakfasts, lunches, and dinners are served buffet-style with a rich variety of dishes, from traditional Turkish cuisine to international options. A kids' menu, diet-friendly meals, and fresh fruits are available daily. In the evenings, themed dinners, live shows, and music performances take place. The entertainment program at the hotel is vibrant. Daily animation, aqua aerobics, water polo, darts, a kids' mini disco, evening shows, and more. Active guests can enjoy sports facilities, including table tennis and a gym. And for those seeking a more comfortable route to the sea, golf carts are occasionally available, though the beach is just a short and pleasant walk away. The hotel boasts its own sandy pebble beach with a gentle entry into the sea, where sun loungers and umbrellas are provided. A beach bar also operates throughout the day, offering refreshing drinks and light snacks. The hotel's beach is a wide and expansive stretch of shoreline where every guest can easily find a free sun lounger at any time of day. Even when the hotel is 75% full, the relaxation areas remain spacious and comfortable. The shoreline combines sand and pebbles, and the sea offers a picturesque view. A nearby river flows into the Mediterranean, creating a unique landscape and a refreshing current. However, it's worth noting that due to this, the water near the shore can be cooler, especially in the morning, and the entry into the sea is quite steep, which is important for families with small children to keep in mind. Nevertheless, the water is crystal clear, especially on sunny days, when the sea glistens with all shades of blue. A beach bar is available for guests, serving refreshing drinks and light snacks such as French fries, waffles, ice cream, and fresh fruit. Nearby, there are cozy lounging areas with hammocks and sunbeds, As well as changing cabins and showers, everything is arranged for maximum guest comfort. Back on the hotel grounds, the well-planned organization of leisure is worth highlighting. A spacious green area pleases the eye. Palm trees, flowers, and neatly trimmed lawns create the feeling of a secluded oasis. Throughout the territory, arcade machines are available, along with a mini amusement park and trampolines for children. The playground is especially popular and is conveniently located near the evening show zone. Parents can enjoy the performances while keeping an eye on their children playing nearby. Everything is thoughtfully designed for a relaxing and safe family vacation. The hotel's animation team deserves special praise. The programs are engaging yet unobtrusive. Daytime activities include yoga classes, active games, and fun contests, while evenings feature professional shows, dance performances, and mini discos for children. All events take place in an open-air amphitheater, creating a festive and carefree atmosphere. Alarcha Hotels and Resorts 5 is more than just a hotel. It's a place where everyone can find our perfect vacation rhythm. Whether it's lounging lazily by the pool, joining in the fun with animation programs, enjoying beachside relaxation, or spending quality time with the family. With its modern infrastructure, spacious grounds, courteous staff, and rich gastronomy, this hotel is an excellent choice for a holiday on the Turkish coast. Here, you don't have to choose between comfort and atmosphere, you get both. Surrounded by greenery, with sea views and meticulous attention to detail, a stay at Alarcha becomes truly memorable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.